Wow. Well, you look at that. You gotta absolutely have the world's worst karma to not get rich here. Look at this. You see this? This is a perfect inverse head and shoulders. We got a small left shoulder, we got a big, nice big head, and then we've got a medium-sized right shoulder with a little bit of an initial fake out here, and then a final dip, bear trap dip, and now we're just gonna pump. We're just gonna pump super, super hard. In order for you to not make money here, your karma has to be so. You would have had to slap Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad in the face in your past life. Now, you would have had to steal from orphans, and you would have had to beat up widows in your past life for you to not make money here. The, your karma would have to be so bad, and a lot of you guys aren't going to make money. The ones that are in, I'll give you a free private VIP room signal from bitcoin-signals.org. We just sold everything. We sold houses, we sold cars. We're just buying a bunch of Ethereum, doing longs, low leverage longs, and when the timing's right, high leverage longs in Ethereum. We've already doubled our money in the last pump. So the last what 4 days, 3 days, already made 200% of our huge existing money. Plus, buy all the coins that I mentioned in the past that still haven't pumped. I mean, these things don't necessarily pump and go straight up, do 500x or 1000x right when I tell you they will. Hey, Bitcoin Fund Manager released a YouTube video. I guess in the next 30 seconds, we're going to make 500 times our money. That's not how it works. I tell you something's going to do 500x. I tell you something's going to do 1000x. It generally does. And actually, most of the time, I can't think of anything that hasn't gone up and that I didn't tell you, hey, I thought this would go up 100x, but it only went up 80x. And I think that's the top. I mean, I tell you these things. If you don't get the message, if you don't do your homework and follow for revised updates, yeah, I don't think we're going to hit 100x. I think 85x is the most we're going to get. You should probably start selling now. I put those videos up there. If you don't get that video, if you don't get that message, what am I going to do? Am I going to chase you home and then say, hey, I just put a YouTube video up and the video said you should sell because we're not going to hit $10,000 a coin. We're stuck at $8,500 per coin, and I think that's it. Is that what you want me to do? Is just write down your address, put your address, and give me your cell phone number in the comments below if that's what you want me to do. I will. No, I won't. Anyway, so subscribe to this YouTube channel. There will always be updates, but before there's a dump, I will tell you before there's a dump. Before there's a pump, I will tell you before there's a pump. And things are going to pump. You don't just want to have what little money you have left over in crypto right now. You want to borrow, beg, and go to the Yakuza. The Yakuza lends out money. And so all you have to do is, for collateral, just put like your left arm on the line for collateral. And you'll end up being able to buy 20 left arms once this pump is done. Or the mob. But I think the Yakuza has better interest rates. Anyway, get rich. And for precision signals, notice how I'm not telling you how much leverage to use or when to go super long right now. That is for VIP private members only at bitcoin-signals.org, because they've got really, really good karma. Let's get rich together.